Welcome back to Dad Deals. Laser engravers and cutters are amazing tools that have reached the consumer level and are more accessible than ever. For around $1,000, you can take your projects to the next level and engrave permanent logos, names, dates, images, pretty much anything you can think of into your projects that you can use to sell or just make for your own personal use. With that though comes a ton of options and brands to choose from. Today we'll be looking at two brands and their machines to help you decide which laser is best for you and help you in your decision process. The two machines we'll be comparing are the XTool D1 Pro 20W laser cutter and the Atezr P20 Plus 20W laser. We'll be putting these two machines head to head to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Stick around as we break down their features, performance, software, available accessories, and more. Let's start with an overview of these two laser cutters. Both the XTool D1 Pro and the Atezr laser cutter that we'll be testing are 20-watt diode laser machines, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. From engraving to cutting various materials, they can cut and engrave wood, leather, paper, and cardboard, and they can also engrave opaque acrylic, stone, painted glass, stainless steel, titanium, iron, and aluminum oxide. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do with these machines and the possibilities are endless. When it comes to design, the XTool D1 Pro boasts a sleek and modern look. I love the sports car metallic red color that you can get this in, and I'll save you the full unboxing and setup, but XTool really does a great job packaging everything up, and it almost reminds me of unboxing an Apple product. While the XTool is very sleek, the Atezr P20 has a bit more robust frame that offers a little bit more stability during operation, but does take up more space and seems a bit bulkier. The working dimensions are similar at 430 by 400 millimeters for the XTool, with the Atezr giving just a bit more room at a full 430 by 430 millimeters. The Atezr P20 comes with a detachable touchscreen monitor, but the software on it is awful, and you're going to be using separate software to run these machines anyway, so it's pretty useless and is more of an annoyance than useful. A crucial aspect to any laser cutter is the software that it uses. This will be where you design all of your projects and is the brains of the whole process. If you watch a lot of other videos on lasers, the clear leader for software is Lightburn, but I actually have a different opinion. First off, if you're not familiar with it, Lightburn is a third-party software that is compatible with a wide range of lasers, including both of these. You do have to pay extra for it, and I believe it's around $60 for a lifetime license, but Lightburn has a ton of features and is extremely feature-rich, but I've never really been able to get a hang of the interface. It's very intimidating software to use, and you'll find yourself spending hours watching tutorials to even brush the surface on it. With the Atezr P20, you have to use Lightburn or another third-party software. No software is included. The XTool, on the other hand, can also work with Lightburn, but also has their own free software called XTool Creative Space. Having used both, I personally love the XTool software. It's easy to use, quick to adjust the power and speed settings, which are really the main things that you'll be adjusting, and it's just way more user-friendly. If you've ever used the Cricut software, it's very similar to that. It's designed for their lasers, so it also has a bunch of built-in presets that work great. I'm sure a lot of people will disagree and say that everyone should be using Lightburn, and I get where they're coming from because it is very powerful and great software. I just find as a beginner, the XTool Creative Space software got me making things way faster and was just more fun to use, which is kind of the point of these machines. Both the D1 Pro and the P20 Plus have a lot of accessories you can buy. XTool was nice enough to send along some of those accessories for me to try hands-on, but we'll still look at what's available from Atezr as well. One thing that I love about the P20 Plus is that it comes with a really nice manually adjustable air assist. An air assist really helps you when you're cutting things like wood, and it can blow away any dust or soot that builds up, leading to cleaner cuts. XTool sells an air assist as well, but it does cost extra and it is not manually adjustable, so you have to set the power in the software before starting your project. I actually ended up using my Atezr Air Assist with my D1 Pro, and with a quick adapter, it worked great. The accessories I was able to try from XTool were the RA2 rotary and the enclosure, and I have to say that I'm in love with the rotary. If you're going to be getting a laser engraver, I cannot recommend enough spending the extra to get that rotary. It's so fun to use, and I've been engraving every water bottle and tumbler I can find, and engraving something like a Yeti cup is quick and easy, and the results are really professional and amazing. One suggestion though is to read the instructions and make sure your rotary is positioned the right way, or you'll get a backwards logo at first like I did. But hey, it's now just a reminder to me to always measure twice and cut once. I have my laser cutters in my garage, so I can always open the doors and get a nice airflow going, but the fumes and smell can still be a lot. An enclosure is designed to help with this and would be mandatory if you're in an enclosed space. The XTool enclosure was simple to set up. It all velcros together and provides a nice viewing window, as well as a powered fan and exhaust hose that you can lead to outside. My only suggestion would be that they include an on-off switch for the exhaust fan, as you currently have to plug and unplug it to turn it on and off. The XTool enclosure, along with being fireproof and well constructed, also has nice features like a tool storage belt on the side and limit rope so you can easily open it up to make adjustments and close it back without taking the whole thing apart. Safety is paramount when working with laser cutters, and both machines come equipped with cooling systems to help prevent overheating and limit switches which shut down the unit if the laser goes too far off course. However, the XTool D1 Pro takes it up a notch and also features a smoke detector that can detect if a fire starts and automatically shut down the machine. Of course, with both of these machines, you should always be around in case something happens and always have a fire extinguisher ready to go, just in case you need to use it. Now let's talk about pricing. The XTool D1 Pro is priced at $994.95, and the Atezr P20 Plus right now with Air Assist is priced at $779. I definitely think the D1 Pro justifies that higher price with its ease of use and overall support, but the Atezr is no doubt a great value if you don't mind a steeper learning curve. I've included links to both lasers in the description below if you're interested. Full disclosure, I was sent both of these units free of charge to test, but everything in this video are my honest thoughts and opinions, and there are so many awesome things that you can make with these machines that both are absolutely capable units. I hope this video helped you in your decision-making process, and I can't wait to make more laser content. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.